Hi everyone. We're going to use SOHCAHTOA to find the angles, the height of a mountain. And the diagram is drawn. These are beacons out at sea. And the measurements are shown on the diagram. If the beacons are 1473 meters apart, how high is the mountain? Okay, so what we want to do here is, what I usually do is go ahead and separate out both triangles. So I'm going to draw the larger triangle here first and separate it out and draw it here. It's not going to be exactly the same, but this is going to be my larger triangle here. And this is 29.7 degrees. And this is H. And we don't know what this part is here. So this total from here to here is going to be 1473 plus x. Now I'm going to use my tan function, and I'm going to say tan, because we know this is opposite over adjacent. So tan of 29.7 degrees equals opposite, which is your height, over adjacent, which is 1473 plus x. Now I'm going to cross multiply, and I get my h equals 14, I'll just put tan first, tan of 29.7 times 1473 plus x. So here I solved for h. Alright, now I'm going to use my smaller triangle, and I guess I'll do that one in blue. Make sure you write this down, because we're going to move on to the next slide. So I'm going to write my small triangle and copy it down. And here the angle was 41.2 degrees. And this is just x, and then we have h. And I'm going to write my tan function as tan of 41.2 degrees is h over x. And I'm going to solve for x. So I'm going to cross multiply, I get x equals tan of, x equals h over tan of 41.2. Now, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite what I had on the first page. I had h equals tan of 29.7 times 1473 plus x. So that was your h. Now we know what x is. So I'm going to substitute that in to my x and then solve for h, because that's what we're looking for. So I'm going to write h is tan 29.7 times 1473 plus my x, which is h over tan of 41.2. Apparently I wrote this down wrong. So this is 41.2. Now, I'm going to use the calculator at this point and take care of this piece and this piece. I get h equals 0.57 times 1473 plus h over 0.88. And then I'm going to distribute here. So make sure you copy it down, because I'm going to move on to the next slide. And when you do that, you're going to get h equals 839.61 plus 0.65h. Now we have to solve for h, so I'm going to subtract this from both sides. And remember, this is 1h. So when you subtract these two, you're going to get 0.35h equals 839.61. Then you merely divide both sides. Sorry, my cat just ran across the screen. Okay. So now you can divide both sides by 0.35. And you get h equals, is approximately, let's say, 2,398.89 meters. Okay? That's all. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.